Hi friends, good afternoon. This is Rishiraj once again, and in this video I will be telling you about some of the major releases of the year 2022. As you know, that the cinemas in Maharashtra have finally opened up and many blockbuster films have been announced and their release dates have been announced as well. In fact, films like Suryavanshi, Lal Singh Chadda, Jersey, Antim, Satyameva Jayate 2, Kurup and other movies will be releasing in the year 2021 itself. So you can expect a dhamaka at the box office. But like I said, in this video, I will be focusing on the films, not all the films though, but some of the films that you can catch up in theaters in 2022. The major releases are going to be the following. One of the most eagerly awaited films will be Gangubai Kathiawadi, starring Alia Bhatt and Ajay Devgan in lead roles. The film is directed by Sanjay Leela Bhansali. Need I say more? Sanjay Leela Bhansali's track record of giving blockbusters, mainly with Ranveer Singh and Deepika Padukone in the recent past, is going to be tried once again at the box office. In fact, this is going to be the first release of the year 2022. The next release I'm going to talk about is S.S. Rajamouli's magnum opus after Bahubali and Saho, which is titled RRR. The film is a period drama and stars, well, Junior NTR, Ram Charan, Alia Bhatt, Ajay Devgan, Sanjay Dutt, and others in lead roles. The film, nobody knows what the story of the film is because Alia is playing a Sita, whereas the other people are playing modern roles. So nobody is really sure about what the story of the film is. But the story by Vijayendra Prasad sir and the direction of S.S. Rajamouli is enough to ensure a bumper opening at the box office. The next release is Radhe Shyam. The film, once again, is a pan India project made in South India but for all over the country and stars Prabhas and Pooja Hegde in lead roles. The film also releases in the month of January itself. Another major release is going to be Salan. The film once again stars Prabhas and Pooja Hegde in lead roles and also has small roles by Hansika Motwani, Kajal Agarwal, and marks the comeback of yesteryear's famous actress Asin Thurukkal. And the film will probably be a reincarnation story of Krishna and Radha. But what exactly the film is going to be, you can check it out in theaters very soon. Another major release is going to be Kangana Ranaut's Dhaka. The film stars Kangana Ranaut as Agent Agni and also has an antagonist played by Arjun Rampal and Divya Datta. The film is probably going to release in April this year, I'm sorry, 2022, and has Kangana playing a spy known as Agent Agni. And according to reports, the film will be converted into a franchise. The next major release is also going to be Tejas. The film stars once again Kangana Ranaut and Siddharth Malhotra in lead roles. An Air Force film, the film is produced by Ronnie Screwvala and directed by Sarvesh Mewara. Salman Khan and Deepika Padukone for the first time together. Yes, friends, are you waiting for Doom 4? The film will also star Abhishek Bachchan, Uday Chopra, Bipasha Basu, and, if reports are to be believed, Kangana Ranaut as the antagonist. The film is expected to be next year's Diwali release. Sita, the reincarnation. Once again, the film stars Kangana Ranaut in the title role and along with Ranveer Singh, Ranveer Kapoor and Amitabh Bachchan and of course Tabu and Rekha as per reports. The film will probably again be a Diwali or Christmas release of 2022. Lal Singh Chaddha, Amir Khan, Kareena Kapoor, Rajkumar Hirani, Adrit Chauhan. Do I need to say more? The film speaks for itself. Viacom maintains Lal Singh Chaddha will also hit theatres in 2022. Pathan. Yes, Shah Rukh Khan is back with Deepika Padukone and John Ibrahim as the villain in the year 2022. Fighter. Hrithik Roshan pairs up with Deepika Padukone for the first time. The film also stars John Ibrahim in lead roles. The film is expected to release in the second half of 2022. Ek Villain returns. John Ibrahim, Arjun Kapoor, Jacqueline Fernandez, Tara Sutaria team up for the film. The film is expected to release in the first quarter of the year 2022. The other major releases, which I'm not going to talk in detail about, but I know are going to release next year, will be definitely Prabhas is a pan-India film once again, Liga by Vijay Deverakonda and Ananya Bhatt's Bhoot Police. There is Phone Booth, and there are films like the smaller films like Adi Purush, again based on the Ramayana, Deepika Padukone's Draupadi, and other films. So they are going to be about 118 films which will be releasing in the year 2022 at the box office, provided COVID stays away from us. So pray that COVID stays away and catch you in cinemas very soon. Thank you, friends. Have a great day.